Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Let your dreams come true by making this stunning townhouse your forever home. Nestled in the cool, upscale community of Ingleside, Mandeville. This property is perfect. It has a light, airy, and modern vibe. There are 3 generous bedrooms and 3.5 bathrooms. The master bedroom has a beautifully finished ensuite, built-in closet with storage and a balcony where you can enjoy mountainous views for miles. The kitchen features granite and quartz countertops, and the kitchen cabinets are termite and water resistant with a high gloss white finish. The bathrooms feature floating cabinets and have a superb finish. The property features LED recessed lights and chandeliers. There is an EV charging installation point, carbon monoxide and a smoke alarm, and the property is wired for air conditioning. It's also piped for a water heater, solar and regular, piped for a generator, and there's emergency lighting. The staircase was custom built using the highest quality two-tone cedar wood. The garage is big enough for one car, or it could make a spacious workshop or storage area. At this development, you and your home's safety is paramount, which is why there is 24-hour security. Other amenities include a sauna, pool, clubhouse, and gym. Guys, let's take a look at this townhouse. And please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this townhouse is Jamaican, 65 million or US $422.3 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.